Imagine invisible highways beneath the waves, carrying not cars but water, heat, and life itself across the planet. Ocean currents are these powerful flows, weaving through the blue expanse and connecting distant shores. They transport warm and cold water, shaping weather patterns and making some regions lush while others stay cool. Along their routes, they carry tiny plankton, fish, and nutrients, feeding entire food chains. These hidden rivers link vibrant coral reefs with icy polar seas, ensuring marine life thrives and climates stay balanced, all without ever being seen.